Well, the renewed attempt of the Meghalaya BJP to settle their discord through dialogues with the MDA coalition seems to have hit rock bottom, with the NPP questioning why they should hold any discussion when everything has been discussed earlier. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong said there is nothing to discuss here as everything has been talked in the MDA Coordination Committee. Tensong stated that the elected representatives from the BJP were also a part of the meet and hence the NPP's stand has already been communicated. Tensong also made it clear that there is no communication gap and that the Meghalaya BJP's stand is totally illogical, as on one hand they are alleging the MDA government of corruption and on the other hand they are supporting the coalition. Well, Tensong said here that if the BJP thinks that the MDA government is corrupt, then they should take their MLAs and leave for good.
Why should we discuss? We already discussed. Everything has been discussed in the coordination committee also. We already discussed. And you already have your elected representative from your party. Maybe if you don't have that, it's a different issue. But you already have, and one of them, they are also the cabinet minister in the council of ministers. So if you have any problem, then why not? Communication gap is not there. We don't have any communication gap. It's very clear. That's what I told yesterday very clearly. If you are really serious about your allegation, okay, your allegation, now I'm taking bath in a dirty water. Why should you join? Why should you also do the same way? Leave, withdraw. Since you knew that MDA government is such a corrupted government, leave, withdraw. Ask your MLAs, both of your MLAs, withdraw immediately. Are not these people become a laughing stock? In one hand you say MDA government is corrupted, and in one hand you say, hey, please sleep together with them. Is it logical? It's totally illogical. That's what I'm saying. People of Meghalaya are expert. They know, and I'm telling you, ultimately, these allegations made by the BJP state unit Meghalaya is illogical, and they become laughing stock.
Meanwhile, reacting to the sharp words by the Deputy Chief Minister, senior BJP leader and Cabinet Minister A.L. Hegg said that the BJP has no problem to pull out, but the issue is when they form the MDA government, it was with the initiative of the BJP's national leadership. So they would have to go with the instructions and advice of the BJP headquarters in New Delhi. Hegg said here that if the BJP's national leadership allows, then they would walk out of the alliance without any hesitation.
We have no problem, but the issue is this: when we form the MDA government, it is with the initiative of the national BJP. So we have to go with the instructions, advice of the national BJP only. Because when we formed the MDA government, it has happened also in the Assam House, in present with all the national leaders. Many national leaders, where they formed the MDA government, if they want the BJP to withdraw from the MDA government, it is not from the Meghalaya BJP, it has to come from the national BJP. We have no issue. If the national BJP telling us, the state BJP Meghalaya, telling us the parliamentary party members of the BJP, we have no problem. But it has to come from the national BJP leader.